Hello YouTube, this is John. I'm going to unbox my new package I've received. This is an online order from Nairobi, from Nerokas Engineering Solutions. I'm going to start opening it now. This came from this company called Nerokas Engineering Solutions. They sell electronic components. Right now, actually ordered some jumper wires. I ordered Bluetooth module XC06, XC05. I also ordered for accelerometer sensor for a drone. Then I also ordered motor driver. It's a shield. I'm going to be using it on my robot. You can actually be connected to stepper motors and connect your servo motors. Also bought these fancy jumper wires. I actually like when they make my project look nice. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe, thumbs up, comment for more videos like this.